Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook Padrón peppers. So let's begin. Okay then, so I've been asked to show some people how we cook the Padrón peppers here in Spain. So this is a short video to show you how we do it. So look at these babies, beautiful. First off, what I'm going to do is keep one for seeds so that I can grow them in the summer. So this one will do. Okay then, so we've got a frying pan here. I've turned the heat to number 8 and I'm going to add a good amount of olive oil. This olive oil can be used afterwards, like for eggs, for example. So I'm going to nice generous amount to half cover the Padrón pepper when I put them in. So we'll wait for that to heat up nicely. Okay, I've added a pepper there to check that the oil is hot. You need it hot like to fry eggs. So we'll chuck in the peppers there and just slightly brown them off. It'll probably be done in about 7 to 8 minutes. And I'm going to add them all in because they fit in this pan. The reason I use olive oil is because later, once they are done, once they're fried and ready to serve, I'll serve them on a plate and I'll add salt over them, nice amount of salt, and later when you go and eat them, at the bottom of the plate you'll find the olive oil with the salt, and that is really nice for dipping your fresh crusty bread in, which I will also leave a link at the bottom at the end of the video, I think, to show you how I make my own fresh crusty bread. So we'll wait for these to fry off and then turn them around. And also what I'll do is I'll cover them up with this mesh because they can get quite jumpy at times. Okay, so they've been frying here on one side for about 4 minutes. Luckily I put this on top because one just went bang. So what I'll do is just turn them, move them about. See how they're cooking? They're blistering up. So let's just move them about. And we'll wait for another 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, so these seem done. I'm going to turn the heat off and just move this to one side for a minute. I just put them here to the side just so that I can show you how they look like that. Oops, there you go. See, they've blistered up the skin. Well, they're ready. So what I will do is take them out onto the plate. Okay then, so here they are. And now we're just going to sprinkle a generous amount of salt. And they are ready to eat. Also, they are delicious eaten cold. You can put them in the fridge and eat them whenever you like, cold. And one of my favourite dishes that these go really well with is with a Spanish omelette. I'll also leave a link below in the description on how to make 3 different types that I have so far. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you learned how we do them here in Spain. and see you soon.